And one day, they encounter a demon called Kimmira. Kimmira is friend of Bakasura and Hidimbasura. Who is Hidimbasura? Yes.
Hidimbi's brother.
Hidimbi's brother. Who's Hidimbi?
Bhima's other wife.
Who's their child?
Gadotkacha.
Yes.
Hidimba die or is he just defeated?
Hidimba died. Hidimbasura died. He was killed.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. So Kimmira was made aware that both of his friends were killed by Bhimasena, and his entire sole purpose of his life is to kill Bhimasena. Yes.
Bhima did not kill Bakasura. What did he mean to?
Hey, Ekachakrapura.
Oh. No, I was thinking about another person.
Okay. No worries. And there is a fight that happens there, and Kimmira is killed by Bhimasena. And after that, a very interesting thing happens. When they are in Aranya, the most important person comes to meet with them. Who's that person? Krishna, along with Subhadra, Abhimanyu. Yes, Atharva.
I was going to say Vedanya.
No. Krishna. It is Krishna this time. Krishna comes to meet with them. So he also brings Subhadra, Abhimanyu, and who else? Abhimanyu is the son of Subhadra and Arjuna, right? And Satyaki also comes along with them, and so many other people come along with them. Drishtadyumna and Drishtadyumna also comes. There is no mention of Drupada Maharaja, but Drishtadyumna comes. So all of them come and they discuss about the nasty game of dice, how that happened, and what Krishna was doing at that point of time. Krishna says that if I were there, I would not have let you play this game of dice. This nasty game of dice would not have happened, and this entire thing could have been avoided. Do you really think so? Why?
I don't know, because they agreed to it.
No. Why do you think it would have, nevertheless it would have happened? Why do you guys think so? Even though Krishna is saying that I would not have let it happen. Give it to him.
Because Krishna knows what's going to happen next, and so he would stop the game of dice, and nothing would have happened then.
Correct. That's right. Yes. Krishna, I mean, it is in Krishna's hands also. So, Draupadi thought about Krishna. Draupadi started praying for Krishna when things were going sideways. But these people, Pandavas, who have the habit of asking Krishna even for a slightest of the slightest things, did not even think about Krishna when all this was happening. It is again the kind of Vishnu Maya that is called Vishnu Maya. It is happening because Krishna wants it to happen that way. It's not because these people don't trust or don't respect Krishna, right? For every little thing they approached Krishna until now, right? Even when somebody approached them, I want to give you a gift, everybody turned to Krishna and asked Krishna, what should we do? Even for a gift, they did that. And when this kind of calamity was coming upon them, there is no way that they wouldn't think about Krishna unless Krishna blocked that thought in their head. Mute, Atharva. So then he goes on to say that at this point of time, when the game of dice was happening, I was indulged in a very huge, great war with the king called Salva. Who's Salva? Yes. In that episode you hear, right? Salva, yeah. Salva was involved in a war with, Krishna was involved in a war with Salva. Salva, yeah? Was that true? Yeah, that's correct. Salva is the same Salva we spoke about when we were talking about Ambika, Ambalika episode. Amba wanted to get married to Salva, yes.
And how is Krishna able to give Draupadi more clothes if he was also in the war?
He is Vishnu himself. He is the god. That's the power of the god. Yeah. So why was there a war? That is because Salva was very, very upset with the fact that Krishna killed Shishupala. When did Krishna kill Shishupala?
During Rajasuya Yaga?
Yeah, after the Rajasuya Yaga, Agra Puja happens. That is when Krishna killed Shishupala. Shishupala and Salva are apparently friends, and Salva is mad at Krishna, and he comes. So it's very interesting how this entire episode was narrated in Mahabharata. So Salva had a city that would fly. It was like a flying saucer, something like that. So he came in that kind of a flying city and attacked Krishna. There's a huge war that happens. It spans for 18 days or something. And after that, Salva is killed. And there's a great deal of explanation of how that war was conducted. How there is another story. There is another sub story within it, comparing how there was also another demon who was killed and all of that. So ultimately, the point here is that Krishna was involved in a huge war with this guy, and Pradyumna, Aniruddha, Samba is son of Krishna. There's a guy called Samba, and he's the son of Krishna. Aniruddha is grandkid of Krishna, I believe. One of them, Pradyumna or Aniruddha, one of them is son and one of them is grandkid of Krishna. So all of them, they go in a war with Salva, and finally Salva is killed. And after that, Krishna gets to know more about the game of dice. So while he was there, because Draupadi thought about him, he also took care of Draupadi by giving her that continuous cloth that wrapped around her. So that happens, and after this entire episode, and then they talk about how bad the entire events at Game of Dice was, and Draupadi comes, and Draupadi really expresses her disgust, how bad she feels about this entire thing. She cries in front of him, and Krishna consoles her, saying that this is only going to bring about downfall of the Kuru dynasty. So you and your husbands and your kids will be fine. He ensures that, and after that, he leaves the place, taking Subhadra and Abhimanyu along with him, and Drishtadyumna takes all the 5 Upapandavas. Now, tell me the names of Upapandavas. Yes. What? Upapandavas.
Yeah.
Who are Upapandavas?
Oh, wrong.
Yeah. Yes, Atharva.
Dharmaraja being.
Hey, I'm not saying Pandavas, Upapandavas, kids of Pandavas and Draupadi. No, Ghatotkacha Abhimanyu are not kids of Draupadi. I'm talking about the kids of Draupadi and Pandavas. They are 5 people. At least give me one name. Now, Drishtadyumna is brother of Draupadi. No, you don't know. You don't know. Think about. No. Mute and think about it. Don't just give me names, all the names that you know. Yeah.
Prativindya Sutasoma Shruta Kirti somebody in Shrutasena.
Yes, Setanika is the only one that you missed.
Oh.